Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to share something super special with you all. You know, being Barbie isn't about the dream house or the perfect outfit. Isn't about living your best life, embracing who you are and finding joy in every single day. The Power Car is part of my story, and with the help of my amazing talking device, I can share my thoughts with all of you. Let's show you how it works. Hi, pretty person. Is it not the sweetest? My talking device helps me express myself in ways that feel true to me. Sometimes it's serious stuff like telling people about humility and kindness, and other times it's just for fun. Dream big, sparkle, or shine bright. So, what's the message today? It's all about empowerment. Whether you're strolling or dancing through life, your story matters. My power car doesn't limit me, it powers me up to chase my dreams. Thank you so much for joining me today. Remember, the most amazing thing about you is, well, it is you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me in the comments what makes you feel unstoppable. Bye for now. Keep shining.